Welcome to Natural Healing Guides, where we believe in harnessing nature's power for healthier you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more natural health solutions. Tonight, we are focusing on a common issue that affects millions worldwide, insomnia. But don't worry, we've got a natural soothing remedy you can sip before bed to help you drift into a peaceful, restful sleep. The power of herbal teas. Herbal teas have been used for centuries to promote relaxation and sleep. Our start tonight is a special blend designed to calm your mind and body. Chamomile tea. Chamomile, known for its mild sedative effects, is a classic sleep inducer. This gentle herb helps to calm nerves and reduce anxiety, setting the stage for a good night's sleep. Valerian root tea. Another potent sleep aid is valerian root. It increases the level of neurotransmitter called GABA, which helps regulate nerve cells and calm anxiety. Lavender tea. Lavender is not just for aromatherapy. Drinking lavender tea can also aid in sleep by reducing stress and anxiety. Making the perfect sleepy time tea. Here is how to blend these powerful blends into one perfect bedtime tea. You need dried chamomile flowers, valerian root, and lavender buds. Mix them in equal parts. Add to boiling water and steep for about 10 minutes. Strain and your tea is ready. Add a touch of honey for sweetness if you like. Lifestyle tips for better sleep. While this tea can work wonders, remember your overall lifestyle plays a big role in how well you sleep. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bedtime. Create a comfortable sleep environment and establish a regular sleep routine. This tea blend is a simple, natural way to ease into a restful night. But remember, if insomnia persists, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider. If you've enjoyed this video and are ready for more peaceful nights, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural remedies from Natural Healing Guide. Share your own bedtime rituals in the comment below. Sweet dreams and good health to you naturally.